Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make lamb lollipops. Trim racks into individual chops and French the bones so each looks like a lollipop. Pat the meat dry, season well, and let it rest at room temperature briefly. Sear hot to develop color, then roast gently to your target doneness. Rest the chops before serving to keep juices locked in and garnish with fresh herbs for a bright finish. Start by prepping the rack carefully. Remove silver skin and excess fat, then French each bone about 1.5 to 2 inches for a clean presentation. Trim any ragged meat so each lollipop looks uniform. Apply a light rub of salt, pepper, garlic, and chopped rosemary, or a quick marinade if you prefer. Let the meat rest briefly at room temperature before moving to the pan for a better sear and even cooking all the way through. Heat a heavy skillet until very hot and sear each chop for about 1 to 2 minutes per side to build a flavorful crust. Transfer the chops to a 400 degrees F oven and roast briefly until the internal temperature reaches about 125 degrees F for medium rare. Adjust for your preference. Remove and tent loosely with foil, resting 5 to 7 minutes so carryover cooking finishes and juices redistribute. Serve warm with a bright.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.